In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to plan your day with Asana. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. When you're looking to get organized and stay on top of your tasks, the first step is to open the My Tasks section in Asana. This is your centralized hub where you can see all the tasks that have been assigned to you. It's like having a personalized view of your workload, allowing you to easily track what needs your attention today. Once you're in My Tasks, I recommend creating new tasks for every job, no matter how small. This might seem tedious, but it ensures that no task slips through the cracks. You'll have everything clearly outlined in front of you, which can help alleviate that feeling of overwhelming chaos we sometimes encounter. Next, it's important to organize your personal task list into different sections. This step is key for prioritizing the work that needs urgent attention. By breaking down your tasks this way, you can focus on what's most important first, rather than randomly tackling items as they come to mind. Another effective strategy is to group your assignments by due dates or project categories. This approach not only clarifies your workload but also helps maintain a clear mental structure. You'll find that over time, this method will let you move through your day with a more focused mindset because you'll know exactly what's coming up and what needs your immediate attention. Asana offers different views for your task list, board, or calendar. Feel free to choose the one that feels the most intuitive to you. Some people prefer the list view for its straightforwardness, while others love the board or calendar views for their visual layout. Whatever suits your style best will make the task management process much more enjoyable. Now, let's talk about task details. When you click on a specific task, you can open the detail pane to review all the necessary context associated with that task. This includes reading the task descriptions and checking for any relevant attachments or previous comments from your team. Having this information at hand means you can jump right into the work without wasting time searching for details later. As you complete tasks, make sure to mark them as complete. Not only does this clear your list, but it also creates a sense of daily accomplishment, which can be a real motivator. Each checkmark is a little win that adds up over time. Lastly, it's essential to update your dashboard regularly. This will keep your workload manageable and help you stay focused on your broader goals. Set aside some time at the end of each day to review what you've accomplished and plan for the next day. This habit will not only enhance your productivity, but also give you a great sense of control over your work. So to wrap it all up, Asana provides a powerful platform for organizing your daily tasks. By utilizing these steps, opening My Tasks, creating new tasks, organizing and grouping assignments, choosing your preferred view, diving into task details, marking tasks as complete, and regularly updating your dashboard, you'll set yourself up for a productive day. Thanks for joining me today, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tips.